Amanda King, and tonight I will be discussing how to provide a world-class customer service experience. With me this evening is my family, my best friend Tamara, her husband Walter, and my fiance John. I have some handouts for them. All right, just feel free to flip with me and ask questions at the end. All right, so doesn't everyone deserve a world class customer service experience? All right, so let's consider this. Just picture this. You've worked a long, hard work week and you're headed to the bank because you need to make a withdrawal, you need to pay some bills. All right, so you go into the bank and you notice on your receipt that there are some unauthorized charges. So you want to make sure that you go inside of the bank at this point because you have an issue that needs to be resolved. However, the bank teller is unable to assist you because she doesn't know her product, she's a little confused, and this just causes more issues for you. You really become frustrated at this point. So I'm going to consider 3 points that I want everybody to think about this evening. And in any field, you will be able to provide a great customer service experience as long as you follow these 3 points. Know your product, listen, and most importantly, resolve the issue. All right, so just flip with me as I go along. Know your product. So you want to make sure that you have adequate knowledge about whatever it is that you're selling or that you're assisting customers with. So if you don't know your product, then this could lead to more issues. So you want to make sure that you have adequate training because this is key. All right, the second principle to consider is listening and not hearing, but effectively listening. All right, so let's consider a quote by Rashid Orgularu, all right, from his book Soul Trader, Putting the Heart Back into Your Business. It was written in 2012. The quote reads, until you understand your customer deeply and genuinely, you cannot truly assist them or serve them. Okay, so you want to make sure to consider what he said because it's really important. You must be able to listen. All right, so you want to make sure to recap what the customer says to you just to make sure that you both have a clear understanding and you're on the same page. You want to make sure to ask probing questions and you don't want to waste the customer's time by causing them to have to repeat themselves. And you want to engage with the customer. Let them know that you're there with them, partnering with them throughout resolving the issue, which is the ultimate goal. All right. You should want to treat your customer the way that you would like to be treated. So just consider all of this while doing this. All right. And the third point, which is very important, is resolving the issue. So you want to make sure that you go above and beyond. You show empathy when needed. You do whatever it takes to resolve the issue. And that's the ultimate goal. Okay. Consider this quote here. It says, for every dilemma, find at least 3 to 4 possible solutions. The creative process leads to better results. This is from Marilyn Suttle from the book Who's Your Gladys? How to Turn Even the Most Difficult Customer into Your Biggest Fan. It was written in 2009. Very good quote to consider. All right. So ultimately, I'd just like to say congratulations because if you follow these 3 principles, you are well on your way to providing a perfect and world class customer service experience. All right. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you to the audience, and everyone have a great evening.